Hey you, yes you, the one who's curious about coding. Maybe you've tried it before, maybe not. Maybe it felt too hard, or too boring, or just not you. But what if I told you, coding isn't just for geniuses, it's for the curious, the persistent, the ones who want to build something out of nothing. By the end of this video, you might just fall in love with code or at least start looking at it like a new superpower. Let's talk. 1. Coding is not what you think. Most people think coding is typing cryptic symbols all day, just lines of text in a black terminal window. But that's just the surface. Coding is creativity, it's problem solving, it's turning an idea in your head into a tool, a game, a product, a solution. Want to automate your boring tasks? Build a website for your business? Create the next viral app? Coding is how. And no, you don't need a computer science degree to start. 2. The addictive power of the first aha. The first time your code runs, when something you typed actually works, that feeling is electric. Whether it's a hello world printing on the screen, or a button that actually changes color when clicked, that's the moment. You just created something from nothing. It's like solving a puzzle you didn't think you could. And every time you do it again, the dopamine hits harder. That's what makes coding addictive. It rewards effort, not talent, not background, just effort. 3. You don't have to start big. You don't have to build the next Facebook. Start small. Make a calculator. Build a to-do list app. Create a digital resume. Automate renaming 50 files with Python. These sound simple, right? But each one teaches you real-world skills. Each one builds confidence. Each one lights a spark. Before you know it, you're thinking, what else can I automate? How do I turn this into a website? What if I add login or animations? You're hooked, because now you're thinking like a builder. Here's why coding is unlike any other skill. You get instant feedback. If your code works, boom, you see it immediately. If it doesn't, your screen tells you what broke. That loop of try, test, fix, win is like a video game, except the XP you're gaining, that's brain power. Every tiny victory builds your skill. And unlike other skills, coding is exponential. Today, it's HTML. Tomorrow, it's building your own Chrome extension. 5. From struggle comes flow. Yes, you'll struggle. Sometimes one bug will take you 2 hours. You'll question your sanity. You'll ask why you even started. But when you finally squash that bug, fix that logic, make the page work just right, it's the purest flow state. You lose track of time. You code for hours without noticing. Not because someone's forcing you, but because your brain wants to solve the puzzle. That's what makes coding a healthy addiction. It feeds your curiosity. 6. You start seeing the world differently. Once you start coding, you can't look at the world the same way. You stop saying, that app is cool, and start thinking, I wonder how they built that. Could I make something like this? What tech stack is behind that website? Everything becomes a challenge you might be able to solve. You go from being a consumer to a creator. 7. The community is wildly supportive. Here's the truth. Coders love helping other coders. Stack Overflow, Discord servers, YouTube tutorials, even AI tools like ChatGPT are now helping you learn faster. If you're stuck, someone has been there. Someone wrote a blog post about it. Someone made a YouTube video on it. And when you share your journey, people cheer you on. The coding world is full of strangers who will root for you. 8. Coding can be your escape or your career. You don't have to be a full-time developer. Coding can just be your secret weapon. Automate tasks at your job. Build a side hustle. Freelance after hours. Build tools just for fun. But if you want it to be your career, the opportunity is insane. Tech jobs are everywhere, and the demand isn't going anywhere in 2025 and beyond. Self-taught devs are landing roles every day. You could be one of them. 9. You're already closer than you think. If you've watched this far, congrats. You don't need a sign. This is it. Download VS Code. Try HTML. Open Python in Replit. Do one thing today, because here's the real secret. You're one working project away from believing in yourself. And after that, you won't stop. So yeah, coding can be hard, but it's also weirdly fun, deeply satisfying, even addictive. Not in a bad way, in a what else can I build kind of way. Start small. Build ugly. Stay curious. Be patient. And I promise, coding will become your favorite habit.